Hi friends, welcome to Code Jana. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to install Python libraries from GitHub. Alright, so the easiest method to download any Python library is via pip install command. So let's see that in action. First of all, I'm going to open my command prompt. And now let's create a folder for this particular example. So I'm going to navigate to my desktop. And let's make a directory named, let's say, GitHub. All right, nothing fancy there. Let's navigate to that. All right, now we are going to create a virtual environment. All right, so that's virtual env and then env. If you don't know how to create a virtual environment in Windows 10, then I do have a video on that, so please watch it. The link is in the description below. All right, see, it just happened in 8:53 milliseconds. All right, so let's navigate to that. Just type env/scripts and then activate. Great, now we can test out our things. So just type Flask GitHub. And the first link is usually the library that you're looking for. So let's click on it. All right, so by default, if you download from GitHub, it is going to install the latest version of Flask, even if it is in development. Let me show you. So let's click on this code button, and you can copy this particular URL directly from here. And now let's do the same command, pip install, and this time you cannot simply paste the URL. Let's say you do it. See, it cannot unpack that file because it is not currently recognizing that URL. Don't worry, it is completely fine. We need to make a little change. So that's pip install, and this time you need to add git plus, and now you can paste the URL. See, I did nothing else and press enter. So the first step is to go to that URL and clone that repo. After that, it is going to build the wheel file here, created wheel for Flask. Then it is going to install the Flask library in your system. So if you install from Git, as you can see, you have just installed Flask 2.0.0. But let's see if it is the currently working version of Flask. So if you type Flask directly, this Flask palette project will come. You can either open it, and from here you can go to this PyPy releases. So the latest version that is currently being downloaded and installed in the systems via pip install Flask command is 1.1.2, and we have just downloaded Flask 2.0.0 dev version. All right, so if you do not want to do this, if you want to download a specific version via Git, then you need to click on this master button and then click on the tags. From here you can select the version that you want to install. So let's say you want to install this 1.1.2, or better yet, let's say 1.0. Let's click on it and let it open it. Great. So now, even if you click on it, you get the same command. If you copy and paste it using pip install, then git plus, and then paste this URL, it is going to again download Flask 2.0 dev version. So how do you tell it that you want to install the 1.0.0? Well, again, all of this is super easy. Let me first remove this Flask version. So pip uninstall Flask. Say yes. All right, so I have cleaned up my screen a little, and now if you want to install Flask at a specific version from GitHub, well, it's super easy. Just type pip install git plus, paste the same URL that you have just did and add. And now if you want to download this particular version, this 1.0, you need to specify 1.0 there, and that's all it takes. It is successfully installed. So just for clarity, I'm going to do a pip show Flask. And yeah, so currently, and even though the current version from PyPy website is 1.1.2, we are still downloading 1.0 version from GitHub. So this is how you install libraries from GitHub. Now, when are they going to be useful to you? Well, The libraries on GitHub are frequently updated. As you have just seen that Flask is currently at 2.0.0 development version, and if you want to work with that, even though it may give you some bugs and you need to fix them on your end, but if you want to work with that particular version, you can download it. And usually on GitHub, things are updated regularly, even more so than PyPy. So it's up to you when to use it. So this is how you download and install Python libraries from GitHub. I hope you like this video and it has given you something meaningful. If it did, please like and share this video, and please subscribe to Code Jana. Also, if you're working with Flask app, then I have a tutorial on my channel. Please check it out. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.